इस मॉड्यूल में हम माइनर इनवर्टिब्रेट्स लोफोफोरेट्स में फाइलम फोरोनिडिया और इसके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को हम फोरोनिड्स कहेंगे, उनको डिस्कस करेंगे। फोरोनिड्स जो हैं इसके अंदर अबाउट 1 डजन मेरीन स्पीशीज इंक्लूडेड है, जिनको हम 2 जेनरा में डिवाइड करते हैं, जेनरा फोरोनिस और जेनरा फोरोनोप्सिस। ये एनिमल्स जो हैं दे लिव इन परमानेंट काइटिनस tubes either buried in the mud or in sediments, or sometimes these animals they can also be seen attached to the solid surface. A few species जो हैं फोरोनिड्स they normally show the process of boring into mussel shells or calcareous rocks. Generally only इसके अंदर जो structure tentacles हैं they extend to the overlying water. Most फोरोनिड्स जो हैं they are small, less than 20 centimeter long. अब adults फोरोनिड्स जो हैं उनकी body that consists of an anterior lophophores with 2 parallel rings of long tentacles. अब tentacles जो हैं इस फोरोनिड्स में these are the structures that are normally filled over by the coelomic fluids as a hydrostat. और ये जो coelomic fluids जो है this will serve as an hydrostatic skeleton and will hold the animal body in upright position. जिस tentacles के साथ जो cilia हैं they derive water into the ring of tentacles from the top of lophophores and send out through the narrow space between the tentacles. Suspending food particles जो हैं they will be directed into the mouth of the lophophores. फिर एक flap of tissue जिसको हम epistome कहेंगे, this is present around and this covers the mouth around itself. Some fouronids they show both type of reproduction, sexual as well as asexual. Asexual reproduction will be by the budding and transverse phion, लेकिन majority of the फोफोरेट्स जो हैं belonging to class फोरोनिड्स जिनको commonly हम फोरोनिड्स कहेंगे they are hermaphrodites. Gonads are in the coelom. Gametes are produced by the gonads. They pass from the coelom through the nephrodiopore to the tentacles. Then as they are mostly species are hermaphrodites, so they will show cross fertilization, or zygotes are either protected among the coils of the lophophores or they are released into the sea. फिर इसमें गैमीट्स के बाद zygote बनेगा. zygote में repeated cell division जिसको हम cleavage कहेंगे. Cleavage is usually radial and free swimming larva known as actinotroch. They will be produced. This develops and feeds on the plankton while drifting in the sea. Eventually, this larva settles to the bottom. Metamorphosis will take place, and this larva begins to grow ventrally to form the body of sedentary adults. As the animal grows, it burrows into the substrate. The body wall contains glandular cells that eventually secrete the chitinous tube into which the body of the adult normally resides. So this was all about the fouronids belonging to phylum Foronidea, and this is a representation of the minor invertebrates Lophophorates.